Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and in this series we'll create the site using React Bootstrap. Today we'll set up a new environment, create a project and take this site demo. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started. First, create a project folder and open them in your favorite text editor. I have created a folder called React Bootstrap and I'm using VS Code as my text editor. Then create a React project. Let's use Feet. It is a fast build tool for modern front-end development. Click Get Started. In order to use Feet, we need Node version 20.19 or over. So make sure you have the correct Node version, or you can download and install them from its official website. Once everything is good, in the terminal, run this command. Add a project name, Express. Choose a framework, React. Then choose JavaScript. Install with npm yes. Everything is ready now and we got our dev server. So hit Ctrl and click this link. This is the preview of our site. Now let's add React Bootstrap in this project. So open its official website, click Get Started, copy this command, then in VS Code, to stop running the project, I will hit Ctrl+C, Y for yes. To get inside this project, write cd space express. Run the command. Now let's test if it is working or not. First, run the project using npm run dev. Here, click Components, Buttons, since this is the easy one. Copy any one button tag. Let's try to add them under src folder, app.jsx. Here I will remove everything and just add the button tag. Also remove the unnecessary import, including the state. At the top, import the button. Check the preview and it works. We are missing CSS over here, so let's add the CDN link. Back in the website, click Introduction, Scroll down and copy this CDN link. Paste them under index.html. I will paste them after this title tag. Take the preview. And now everything works great. Now let's take the demo of the website we will be building. We got a simple header and a navigation which will stick at the top after you scroll down. We then have hero carousel, services, about us, testimonials, contact form with validation, and the footer. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll add CDN, SCSS, images, and clean file structure. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.